In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll tables in Notion. When you are working in a Notion database or table, being able to move around quickly is essential, especially when your columns or rows stretch beyond the screen. I'll walk you through the simplest ways to scroll both horizontally and vertically so you can navigate large tables with ease. Let's start with horizontal scrolling, which moves you left and right across columns. One of the fastest methods is using your mouse wheel with the Shift key. Click anywhere inside the table to make sure it's active. Then hold down Shift on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel up or down. Even though you are moving the wheel vertically, holding Shift tells Notion to pan side to side. This is great when you need to scan across many columns without taking your hand off the mouse. If you are on a trackpad, use 2 fingers to swipe left or right. Keep your cursor over the table area and gently slide your fingers in the direction you want to go. If the direction feels reversed, that's usually a system setting, not a Notion issue, and can be adjusted in your device's trackpad preferences. You can also use the bottom scroll bar. Look for the horizontal bar that appears at the very bottom of the table. Click and drag it left or right to reveal hidden columns. On some systems, scroll bars may be hidden until you hover your cursor near the bottom of the table. So if you don't see it right away, just move your mouse down over the table area and it should appear. Now let's talk vertical scrolling, which moves you up and down through rows. Most of the time, you can simply use your mouse wheel or swipe up and down on your trackpad. As long as your cursor is over the table, Notion will scroll through the rows smoothly. For very large databases, Notion provides an inner scroll bar within the table itself. This lets you move through the data without shifting the entire page. If the page is moving instead of the table, click inside the table to focus it, then use the inner scroll bar or your usual scrolling method. This is especially handy when you want to keep surrounding notes or headers in view while you browse the data. If you run into stubborn scrolling, try clicking once inside the table to bring it into focus. Resize your browser window to reveal hidden scroll bars or momentarily reduce your zoom level to see more columns at once. These small adjustments can make navigation feel more precise. That's it for how to scroll tables in Notion. Thanks for watching.